We are 1039 WDKX, the Wake Up Club, Rochester's #1 station for hip hop and R&B. Joining us now in a weekday slot every Wednesday morning, right around this time, is Dr. Janice Harbin from Jordan Health. Good morning, Dr. Harbin. How are you?
Good morning. I am wonderful. Thank you.
Good to have you as always. When it comes to this information, we are less than a month away from a back to school COVID-19. Now, listen, I ain't got nothing to do with what's going on in Florida when this mandate. But when it comes down to Western New York and what we have to deal with, what are you saying to parents now as we get ready to head back to school in the next 3.5 weeks?
Well, I'm saying to parents, if you have children 12 years or older, you need to get them vaccinated. We need to protect the younger kids. If you have kids that everyone needs to follow, whether you're a child, an adult, a parent, a grandparent, you need to wear those masks. You need to get vaccinated if you have not been fully vaccinated. You need to wash your hands. You need to social distance. This pandemic has not been playing with us, and it's time we stop playing with it.
Yeah, it's very much important. It's not over with yet, so continuing the crusade, washing the hands, wearing the mask, all of that good stuff, whether you're vaccinated or not, are big. Now, listen, here we are a year later from all of this, Dr. Harbin. And obviously we're in better shape. We know more data now and information now going forward. Now, you still have people who are a bit hesitant, and you still have people that are totally not going to get the vaccine for whatever reason they may list. What has the medical world learned within the last year of dealing with COVID-19?
Well, we have learned within the past year that the vaccine does work, that the new cases that you're seeing are mainly unvaccinated people. And the unvaccinated people, unfortunately, are taking this virus home to children, and now we're seeing younger and younger children that's coming down with the vaccine. We know that the FDA has done due diligence. They're studying folks that have had the vaccine. I had mine last December and have never skipped a beat, and continue to encourage people to have the vaccination. Everyone in my family that is connected to me directly has been vaccinated, or I tell them just give me a phone call, FaceTiming. I don't need to see you. I think that we know it's safe. It has been proven to be safe. They had to do their due diligence, and hopefully now that we're looking at full FDA approval, we'll have some people who have been sitting on the fence decide it's time for them to step up and help protect our children, our loved ones, our seniors, and our family members.
We're talking with Dr. Janice Harbin from Jordan Health. If you have any questions, you can always go to Jordan Health, a great resource. If you're looking for a doctor, looking for a pediatrician, looking for services for yourself. I think a lot of people may be looking for a doctor now. Pandemic aside, there's other things that are going on in the healthcare community that people need to start talking to a medical professional about. COVID is the #1 concern going forward. Dr. Harbin, if people want to get the vaccine, or they want to find out more, or they're going back to school, what is Jordan offering right now with the City School District?
Well, right now with the City School District, we have on August 16th through August the 19th, we're having regular immunizations and physicals, healthcare exams. Keep in mind that even though this pandemic is overtaking everything, regular physical exams, we need to know the state of our health. We need to have our checkups. Our children need to have their regular vaccinations. So we cannot forget that they need their regular vaccinations. So Jordan Health, along with the City School District, we're teaming up at Franklin Health Center over there off of Norton, and we're vaccinating. We're doing physicals, and that will be August 16th through the 19th. And it's a good way to get your kids ready and head back to school.
They keep saying for this FDA approval for the vaccine, we should know by the end of August. Is that what you're hearing too, or no?
Yeah, we should know by the end of August. And keep in mind, we had the emergency approval, and the FDA is going through all the checks and balances to declare that this is fully vetted. We have not had any real pushback after this vaccination, whether it was the Pfizer or the Moderna. People have done very well with this vaccination. But for future, they're looking at what else could this vaccine do. We know it protects against COVID. What else can it do? So that's some of the studies that's going on. And it's due diligence, and we thank them for due diligence. And hopefully some of the people on the fence will come off the fence when they see the final study from the FDA.
One of the more trusted doctors in the Rochester area, Dr. Janice Harbin from Jordan Health. Get all the information you need to know from jordanhealth.org and find out more on what is available through Jordan Health. They will help you. I know a lot of people like, I don't have insurance. Get in touch with Jordan Health. That's the one to talk to. They will be able to at least help you get the services you need. You know you need some services, so you can go to Jordan Health and see what they can do for you. Dr. Harbin, as always, be safe. We'll talk to you soon, okay?
We'll talk to you soon. Thank you. And thank you for all you do at WDKX.
One of the more trusted doctors in the Rochester area on the station that champions only for the community. We are 103.9 WDKX.